Arts, Nolo Art and Craft. Art and Craft shop starts from there.
Hi friends, I'm Jagan from Raj Noho Arts and Crafts. Today I'm going to show you about gift wrapping papers. The thickness of each paper is 90 to 110 GSM only, but these papers are used for wrapping purpose as well as scrapbook making and also for decoration purpose. So also you can use one by one the designs papers. So you can just WhatsApp me these by just taking a screenshot and I can deliver it to your address. So these are the teddy bear designs with heart on it, and there are many designs that I will be displaying it in this video. And these are all the flower designs with heart and flower with the roses, and this rose design is the fastest moving in this flower design. And here you can see this yellow color. Also you can also make different type of paper bags with these gift wrapping papers, but the main thing is you can't put heavy items on this. Just a light item or just as a gift pouch you can use that paper bags. And these are all the golden designs and silver designs on white color background, so you can see how beautiful these looks. And each pack has 25 sheets in it, and all the 25 sheets are same designs only. One packet has only one single design, not different designs on it. So you can use it for mass gift wrapping also with this. So whatever the designs you like, just take a screenshot and send it to me to my WhatsApp, and I can deliver it to your address. And these comes in 25 sheets packing, and all these are chart size papers, so you can wrap big gift easily. And each chart size in the sense that is A2 size, it comes nearly to the A2 size papers. And these are all the glittering designs in this gift wrapping paper, so you can see how glittering they are. Even the colors are also glittering, so while seeing in the website it won't be easy to identify. For that purpose only I have put this gift wrapping video, so this will be a very good idea for you to get it easily, and it will be live also. And these are all the flower designs. These flower design checked designs are also moving very fast. Black background with golden designs on it. You can see the stars and different type of many designs on these. Normally gift wrappers, if you think of mind, it will be in plastic, that golden glittery form. But these paper gift wrappers, after you wrap them on the gift, they make you a gift very royal look. Even though the gift inside may be very cheap, but the outlook will be very royal. So this is the specialty of these gift wrapping sheets. So one pack has 25 sheets, and now the MRP is, we are selling as 170 rupees to 200 rupees per packet. So it may vary according to the suppliers. Not only gift wrapper, we are selling all type of craft papers and different type of craft items in our store. You can just WhatsApp us and get it, or buy it in our two websites also. So these are all the polka dot designs and vegetables, that is these are all the fruit designs, and also the same flower design with lavender base on it. These are all the wooden designs. Here you can spread it on a puja room, and you can keep your lamps, all other thing. Even the oil spills on it, you can just take this and put the next paper on the puja table. So thereby it looks like a new furniture always. So 25 sheets will be there. So you can use it for 25 weeks or 25 months also according to your usages. So waiting for your valuable orders. Please do like this video.